Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start immediately by identifying the retention method so you know how to proceed. If it has a set screw, back it out slightly, and if it's threaded, turn counterclockwise while supporting the shifter base. Use a cloth to protect trim and avoid scratches. Once done, pull straight up for snap-on knobs with firm, steady force. You're removing old material to check the shifter shaft and thread condition, which prevents cross-threading when installing the new knob. Once the old knob is off, clean the shaft thoroughly so the new knob seats properly. A rag and cleaner remove debris that can misalign threads or splines. You should test fit the new knob to check orientation and ensure any indexing marks align for gear feel. If it uses a set screw, finger start it, then snug with the proper tool. Make sure to use thread locker only when recommended, because permanent compounds can make future removal difficult. You finish by securing fasteners to the recommended snugness. Avoid over-torquing, which can strip threads or crack plastic. Once tightened, shift slowly through each gear to confirm smooth engagement and consistent alignment. If you notice play or odd resistance, stop and recheck orientation and whether any washers or adapters were omitted. A key troubleshooting tip: if the knob rotates on the shaft, remove it and inspect splines.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.